Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are a family of 3. This is my husband. This is my daughter. I love her. Tell people hi guys, welcome to Mama's YouTube channel. Baba onge sasa. Hi guys.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling
YouTube channel, I'm with my hubby today. Look at him, the way he looks.
Toka hapo.
Waza nakuonyesha kapo lingine. Chalia naongeanga dem tu ni mpole sasa yangu na yako ni wajibasi.
I adore you guys.
Hello
Hello,
guys.
hello.
Big camera. Haya, seme hello guys.
Hello guys.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
Hello my people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Tati relax. Hiyo kwanza inafaa kuwa hapa. Wewe unachukua video. Mimi niko busy hivi ni photo unapiga. No, lipstick zenye amejipaka. Look at this kid, how she loves disturbing me. Don't you mean you can't stay away from me? What is Rooney doing? Rooney is arranging some serviettes there. Tatiana administration. Tati mbona ulikuwa unakataza Rooney kukunywa juice na utakunywa? Rooney mtoto wenyewe ni mbaya.
Baka nakataa nikunywe chai ya.
Kisia.
Anakunywa yake. Yani.
Sasa mbona ako hivyo?
Mimi anafaa chapwe. Akinifungua kesho nitapi.
Pana mtoto wangu kama mimi si yuko.
Mimi ndaka hapo mimi.
Nataka kuchape. Tati yako 3 years. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday, dear Tati. Happy birthday to you. Aya, ikeni kata keki sasa.
Aya. Kata keki.
Kuja sasa tukate keki.
like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
This is Naivasha District Hospital. I went for some checkups. Then I felt some thirsty. I went in a kibandaski just inside the hospital compound to take some tea. all of my people, this is the first time I'm putting the stick-ons on my nails. I've never did this one, and they turn out very, very smart. I was very comfortable with them because they were very short and comfortable.
When you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
This was early in the morning. We woke up with my daughter. We started to open the curtain since it is my off day. I have to do some cleaning in the house since I have so many clothes to wash. Today it will be a laundry day. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video. Kindly support me by liking only my video, commenting also, and watching till the end.
Fade to gray.
Oh my God, look at this old laundry. I have to wash all of these. Good morning my YouTube family. Hope mko poa. Leo niko na laundry mob, but I know I will motivate you people. Hizi nguo hata sijui kama zitaisha. Angalia nilemezi. All of this lazima nifue. Hizi zote ni za tati. Zetu ziko huko. Today is laundry day. Lazima nifue hizi nguo zote. But najua by jioni mgongo itakuwa inakalika. Oh my God. Bed nilikuwa nishaanza kusoak zingine. The bed sheets ziko kwa maji already. Yeah. Acha tuanze na nini.
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
As you can see on this video, I decided to go and warm the food so that I can start the morning well. I even started washing clothes before eating. That's why you are seeing me coming back to warm food, then I eat. I continue with the work.
fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
These girls here are my relatives. They are helping me to wash the carpet since I'm washing the clothes, and then they are cleaning the carpet.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same.
Like seriously my people, this is what I got from the supermarket. Zingine hata tatia shaanza kuzirusha.
Hey, gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought in.
Hello my people, saseni mkumpopoa. I just landed from the supermarket. Nimefanya ka shopping kidogo. This is what I'm having from the supermarket, as you can see properly. Like serious, vitu ziko expensive. 30. Si tumekuwa nawe super? Hauna ka shopping yenye tumefanya almost 3,000. I got this one, this ultra whatever. You need. Got this one. Toilet. Ya kwenda pupu. Toilet tissue.
yangu afu dish yangu
majani hii ni ya 45 shillings, ilikuwa inatoka 40 bob. Hizi ni zile. Got this savannah juice. Hizi ndio items zote zenye nimepata from the supermarket. Hii imekuwa gold nowadays. Imekuwa gold. Got these biscuits. I just love it. Weetabix vanilla. Like serious, mimi napenda tu kupika mandazi. Tati, what is that? Sugar. And milk. This is the whole shopping that I'm having. And I have some laundry. That is onga tuonyesha what is ongo. These are common things in the house. I have some laundry there to fold. This is the whole shopping that I'm having. Look at it. serious. Kwa hiyo nikubai tu vitu kidogo kidogo. Hakuna kuweka stock, maybe vitu vinaweza shuka bei. Expensive, expensive. Tika shopping. But I have some laundry there. Lazima nizikunde hizo nguo. I have to fold them. I'm from job, you know. Then in the house you have to start cooking. To upishi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Taya mimi jiki.
Suseni.
Taya mimi jiki. Taya mimi jiki.
Fresh. You know?
Fresh.
Tati, Big G ni mbaya, si ndio?
Yeah.
And why are you eating Big G?
Why mimi jiki?
Let me open for you, please. Big G. Aki sukari zimekuwa expired. Aki 2 kg. Size ni 240. Hii ni kitu we have been buying at 200. Walete to 200.
Yeah.
Now it's 240. Juzi tu ilikuwa fewer. Hey, this stand out. The gold in all. This one is gold now in Kenya. Maybe ukiafford mafuta. Ndio wewe uko. Sawa. Tati nipe Big G nikule hata mimi moja. Give me chewing gum.
This one?
Thank you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts